Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So now a recent report in the weekend that we have prepared, we talked about this market actually has solid upside momentum based on the events that we exactly know and we discussed in the weekly report. In a mid-term perspective, even on the weekly chart, this market keeps chances for more extended upward action. This upward action we do not treat as a breaking of the long-term bearish context, bearish trend, because first of all, trend on the monthly chart remains bearish, and currently we treat this as a retracement on a long-term chart. But on a daily chart and even on a weekly, it might be some kind of the bullish context with the possible more extended actions. Remember we discussed in areas around 107, 107.50. This might happen. But of course this action will be not just in the blink of an eye. So it will be gradual with some multiple pullbacks as usual. And currently we're coming to the point where the first pullback really could happen. So for those who would like to take the long position with the possible upward continuation to an area on the weekly chart, that's not the point for taking it. It's just because market overextended, market stats that they were bought, that suggest more or less moderate pullback here. And if you remember, we talked even about this, some kind of the hand and shoulders that might be formed before upward action will continue. So if you're trading on a daily chart, it's time to wait if you would like to take the long position. Waiting for a better price, waiting for the market will get out of the overbought situation and will be prepared for next upward extension. In a shorter term, bearish traders who trade on the intraday charts, they could try to take the scalp short position because market is coming to XOP area and potential neckline that we discussed already. So we said that it would be better to not take any shorts until market will not reach the XOP, and it seems that XOP could be reached today, just based on the performance that we see on intraday charts. So once the XOP will be reached and other conditions that we will discuss later also will be completed, the scalp bears could consider taking the short position. The target of this position probably will be some of the support areas, depending on where right arm of these potential hand shoulders might be formed. But this is in a perfect situation. So how we suggest that it should be. Speaking on the follow time frame chart, here we talked about the possible reaction of the market on reaching of the XOP area, and among the potential patterns that might be formed here, if you remember, we talked about the Napoli double repo sell pattern. So now we have the thrust up, close below 3x3, close above, and creating the new top, which is good. And if we will get some sharp sell off here, drop below the 3x3 and closing here, that might be treated as the the patterns that scalp traders from bearish side could try to use for a possible retracement. So the same thing on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, this double repo could take the shape of the butterfly. Actually, we have the divergence. Why I'm talking and making the video, as you can see, market is going higher already. So just a few minutes ago, it was right there. So now it's coming to the 1.7 target. It's 103.89, which is actually 103.88. So actually XOP now is touching at this point. Whether this market will try to complete the 1618 butterfly, we will see, but actually this is not necessary from the normal price behavior because the major target already done. Butterfly is reversal pattern, so theoretically the context more or less ready for bearish traders, for scalp trading here. So you could use the butterfly if you would like to. You could trying to wait the confirmation in a way of the double repo if market will return it back up, right back down and close below 3x3, as I said. So, but this is only for very short-term trading. So for those who trade on the intraday charts with the minor targets, for the trading on the daily chart, actually currently is nothing to do because on the daily chart we have nothing on the bearish side, so bears have no context for a trading short, while the bulls actually has not very comfortable area for position taking and need to wait for a moderate pullback where the situation will be not as tight as right now. So that's actually what we have on the euro currency.